Hey there today. I want to talk about an issue that's incredibly important, but often overlooked: female safety in India. It's a topic that has been making headlines globally, and for good reason. Let's dive into why India is not safe for females, share some real-life case studies, and discuss what we can do to protect ourselves. First off, the statistics are alarming. According to the National Crime Records Bureau, a woman is raped every 16 minutes in India, and that's just one form of violence. Harassment, domestic violence, and dowry-related deaths are also disturbingly common. One of the most infamous cases that brought international attention was the Nirbhaya rape case in 2012. A young woman was brutally gang-raped on a bus in Delhi, and she later succumbed to her injuries. This horrific incident sparked massive protests and led to changes in laws, but sadly, it wasn't enough to stop the violence. Another case that shook the nation was the Unnao rape case. A teenager was raped by a politician, and her family faced threats and violence when they sought justice. These are just a few examples, but they highlight the deep-rooted issues in society. So, what can you do to stay safe? First, always be aware of your surroundings. Whether you're walking home or taking public transport, stay vigilant. Avoid isolated areas, especially at night, and if possible, travel in groups. Secondly, use technology to your advantage. There are several safety apps designed to help women in distress. Apps like Be Safe and My Safety Pin allow you to share your location with trusted contacts and can send emergency alerts. Third, self-defense is crucial. Taking self-defense classes can empower you to protect yourself. Techniques like Krav Maga or basic martial arts can be lifesavers. But let's be clear, the onus shouldn't just be on women to protect themselves. Society plays a pivotal role in changing this narrative. Education is key. Teaching young boys to respect women and understand consent from an early age can make a huge difference. Schools and parents need to step up and address these issues head-on. The legal system also needs to be more robust. Quicker trials and harsher punishments for offenders can act as deterrents. Police forces should be more sensitized and trained to handle cases of violence against women effectively. Media representation matters too. How women are portrayed in films, TV shows, and advertisements shapes societal attitudes. Positive, respectful representation can go a long way in changing mindsets. In conclusion, female safety in India is a complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach. While it's crucial for women to take steps to protect themselves, society must also evolve to support and respect women. Only then can we hope for a safer, more equitable world. Thanks for tuning in, and please share this video to spread awareness. Stay safe out there.